The iPhone 15 Pro Max, a device that pushes the boundaries of innovation and redefines. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is a culmination of years of research and development. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this phone is as much a fashion statement as it is a technological marvel. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a sleek and modern design, made from durable titanium. It's available in 4 colors: black, silver, gold, and blue. The phone is also water-resistant and dust-proof. Action button revolution. Say goodbye to ordinary and hello to extraordinary with the all-new action button on the iPhone 15 Pro Max. This game-changing feature takes control to a whole new level, allowing you to customize and personalize your phone like never before. From capturing breathtaking photos to launching your favorite apps with a single touch, the action button puts the power in your hands. Unparalleled performance. Hold your breath as we dive into the mind-blowing performance of the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Powered by the A17 Pro chip, this device delivers lightning-fast speeds and unparalleled efficiency. Whether you're multitasking, gaming, or editing videos, the iPhone 15 Pro Max is ready to surpass your expectations. Get ready to experience smoothness like never before. Enhanced camera system. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a triple-lens rear camera system, consisting of a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and a 12-megapixel telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. The camera system also features improved night mode, smart HDR, and portrait mode battery performance. The iPhone 15 Pro Max has a large battery that provides all-day battery life. The phone also supports fast charging and wireless charging. Breathtaking display, the iPhone 15 Pro Max has a large 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display with a resolution of 2778 x 1284 pixels. The display is bright, colorful, and sharp, making it perfect for watching videos, playing games, or browsing the web. Enhanced privacy and security. The iPhone 15 Pro Max sets the gold standard for privacy and security. The all-new Face ID 2.0 leverages advanced algorithms to ensure your device remains secure, giving you peace of mind every time you unlock your phone. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is not just a device, it's a gateway to endless possibilities. It empowers you to capture moments like never before, elevate your productivity to new heights, and immerse yourself in the world of boundless entertainment. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, tutorials, and reviews. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for all the latest tech news.